Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, March 26th. I think we're on NTI Day 8. I just wanted to, the math today should not be terrible. It's a lot of review, but I did want to look at the clocks just in case we need a little refresher on that. So it says write the time next to the clock. How I like to do this, we're going to think about this. The hour hand's going to be the red hand, and then our minute hand is going to be blue. We start with the hour hand, the red hand, and we try to see which two numbers this red arrow lands on or in between. So if I extended my line out, I can see that that arrow is pointing between the 1 and the 2. Now when it points between two numbers, the number that the hour that we're going to use is the one that comes first. So this is in the 1 o'clock hour because 1 comes before 2. And when we think about time, the clock is going to spin this way. That's clockwise. That's what we say for that, clockwise. I'm going to do a little arrow so we can see that this clock is going to spin always that way. So we know that the hour on that the hour hand on that clock is in the 1 o'clock hour, and we use a colon to help us. And then we're going to think about the minutes. Now the minutes, we start up here at the 12, and then we're going to skip count by 5s because that's the minutes. There are 60 minutes in an hour, so we go by 5s. 45, 50, 55, and then there would be 60, but it starts all over again. So the minute hand right before the 12 is 59, and then it goes to the next hour. So after 1 o'clock would be 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock would be 3 o'clock. So now once we've labeled our clock, we just have to see where the minute hand lands, this blue hand. So I'm going to do blue here. So it's not at the 5, not at the 10. We see that the blue hand is at the 3, which means there's 15 minutes past the hour. So our time is 1:15. It wouldn't be like 1:30 or 1:03 because the big numbers on the clock count by 5 minutes when we're thinking about minutes. The longer hand, the blue one in this case. So I'm going to go ahead and label this bottom clock for you all, and then I'm going to if you use this video, then you can tell the time for it. But I'm going to go ahead and label it for you with the minutes. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And I'm going to do the hour hand is red so you all can see, and then the minute hand is blue. So we want to think about what two numbers does the red hand land between. It's the one that comes first. After you do the telling time, there's just a word problem here on the right. It says, my brother has 24 pencils, but I took 8 of them. How many does he have left? So you're going to write the expression, and then here you have to either plus or minus in this circle, and then this is going to be an equal sign. My brother has 24 pencils, but I took 8 of them. How many does he have left? So think about your picture there in your brain, and what does that mean? And then down here we have to solve the double-digit addition problems. You all should be pros at that by now. Set up your hundreds, tens, and ones, and use your base 10 blocks if you need to on another piece of paper. If you want to stack it here, that's great too. And then the last part says read the number word and write the number. So I'll go ahead and read these for you. 736. I'll read the first couple. And then you're just going to write the word in standard form. So I'll do this one. 736. That's all you have to do there. So read the numbers and then write the number in standard form in the box. If you all have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We hope you all have an awesome, awesome day.